Alright, this video is for a B5 Audi with a 5-speed manual transmission. Upon reinstalling my engine and transmission, I wasn't able to find reverse. So you can see, if you're doing this, you're familiar with how this kind of works, you know, going up and down, whatever. I couldn't go into 5th gear for some reason. So what you got to do, what I figured out, is this linkage right here. So what you do is loosen it up. Okay, loosen it up, and you see how it slides around like that. So what you are looking to do is make sure that this shifter is straight up and down. Okay, make it as straight up and down as possible. If it's like this off to the right, you know, to make the bolt accessible to to screw down, then, you know, it's just not going to work out that way. So it'll kind of be hidden when the shifter is straight up and down. Okay, then you want to get in there. You can see how tight this is, but it will work. It'll just barely get in there, and then tighten it up. Okay, not too tight. A lot of these Audi bolts strip pretty easily, I found out. This car was bought used, and let's see here. Previous owner stripped a lot of the stuff. So there you go, 1st gear. Okay, and reverse. As you can see, yeah. Okay, so we got 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then reverse right here. As you can see, I'm gonna go backwards. There you go. That's how you align your shifter to get reverse working again.